What you're going to need to make an American Girl doll-sized TV is a picture, some cardboard or thick foam, a glue stick, scissors, and duct tape. First step is to take your picture and glue it onto your thick foam. The next step is to use your duct tape to make a frame along the edges of your screen. Then cover the back. Inner piece of cardboard and duct tape. And cover a small piece of the paper towel roll in duct tape as well. Cut small notches in both sides of your paper towel roll. Then shove your screen into the notches and glue into place. And then glue to the thin piece of cardboard.